Hi, in this video the Legalraasta team will teach you all about the sales tax registration in India, its definition and characteristics. Now, what is the meaning of sales tax registration? Sales tax registration is mandatory for any business entity with a turnover of over rupees 5 lakhs engaged in the sale of goods in India. When registered for VAT sales tax, the manufacturer or trader is allotted a unique 11-digit number which will serve as the TIN number for the business. Sales tax has multiple characteristics. VAT is a tax levied on sales of goods in India. Manufacturers and traders should obtain VAT registrations if their annual sales are more than rupees 5 lakhs, rupees 10 lakhs in some states. VAT is determined and collected by state government, so each state has different VAT rules. No VAT is levied on goods exported from India. You will need the following documents to register sales tax: ID proof, address proof, passport size photograph. Also the following other documents need to be attested: copy of PAN card of business, if available, EB card with latest receipt, rental agreement, if rented property, sale deed, property deed, for owned property. You can either file the documents at the sales tax government office in your respective territory or use Legalraasta services for registration of sales tax. With Legalraasta you can register sales tax by filling a simple online form available online at our website. The package for sales tax registration starts at rupees 5,999. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. We can help you informing any type of business entity, example private limited company, LLP, filing individual and company return, helping companies for their compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. We are a trusted partner with multiple top-level expertise and affiliation, and yet cost-effective. So log on now at legalraasta.com for registration of sales tax or mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.